4 months?
Yes. So we're on the way to the airport, guys. Kasi flight namin ngayon 2 a.m. and it's 10:51 na. So hinatid kami sa shuttle. So see you there, guys. Ayan si Wesley Boy. Hi, Wetley. Hi. Hi, William. Hi, Waylon.
Look, William. Look. Mommy, do you know earlier this morning when we were in the hotel, do you know what happened? He was like, Moo. And then I said, are you scared? And he said, And he was like that. And then he said, Mommy. And then I called you, and then he said, later. And then he said,
Bye, Dubai. Say bye-bye.
bye. Bye, bye, hotel.
Bye-bye, hotel.
Bye.
Bye. Ito lang yung nakita namin dito sa Dubai, guys.
I'm gonna meet Daddy.
Yeah.
Bye, bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye daw sabi ni
If
Willie.
Daddy's watching this video right now, I would be happy.
Yeah. I will send it to him. Wow, look at this.
Mommy, can we call Daddy
I will.
when we're on the airplane
No, we can't.
for 8 hours?
15 hours.
19 hours?
Yeah. So hi guys, we're in the airport now. William, you can push it, William. Ikaw.
Sila, you go here.
Sige na, it's so init here. Be careful, William. So nandito na kami sa airport, guys. Ay, be careful ha. Wesley? Grabe akong singot, guys. Struggle. Ay, wait. William, watch out ba? Sakay ka, mag-stroller ta. Wait, mageta og is stroller. Where to go? Hold on.
Dagan.
Ale. Ayaw dagan, William.
Nan.
Hi, say hi. Gara-gara man mo eh. Let's go now. Dubai Airport, guys. Di pa ni mao. Grabe kadako jud. Yan.
How do we undo the stroller?
Huh?
How do you undo the stroller? What did that do?
Hold on. I'll help you. No. He's so tiny, but he's 4. Say hi.
Don't want to say hi.
You say hi. Hi, friend.
High five.
No, he doesn't want.
Wow, so cute.
Thank you. Miami. Yeah.
From Philippines.
Yes.
Bye-bye.
Say bye-bye.
Hi,
You living in Dubai?
I know.
I'm not. So guys, finally we're all set na. Let's go na to our gate. But we don't have gate yet. Pero for sure na kami sa B9. Yeah, king date. Bye, king date. Sakay mi og train like nga no. Train. Last time nakasakay mi nga na. Yeah, like that too. But we're gonna go in the other side. Can we buy McDonald's? How about we go there so you can see like candies or McDonald's?
Okay. Yeah.
You get from that, but William will get something from Jollibee. How about that?
Or like a big candy.
Which one? Huh? There's no Skittle. M&M's, yeah. Ayaw lagi dagan, William.
Dahil ko!
Gamay lang, gamay. Gamay.
Oh, Brian.
William. Dili ha. William. Wait. William.
You said liter ba? Liter?
Did I say that?
You say that liter?
Wala oy.
Liter yun, yes, and it fried in the yum. And then you said no.
I know, I don't have money naman.
And then
Uy. So finally guys, nandito na kami sa airport. Nandito na kami sa boarding gate namin. Ayan si Wesley, nagyaw-yaw siya guys kay...
Mommy.
Sabi ko daw sa kanya, sabi ko daw sa kanila, nabibilin ko si Wesley na William Prime. Sabi ko na no. Sabi ko, wala akong pera. Sabi niya, may ticket daw. So, it means credit card.
Let me show
Or
you.
card.
Let me show you the Prime. Look, I want this from the vending machine. We're at the airport, and I want this. That's the white flavor. I want it.
Hi guys. So, finally, nandito na kami sa airplane. Going to Miami. So,
Hi.
So, Elon is sleeping, guys. Imagine nyo na lang kung ano yung sitwasyon.
Oo na po.
Kaon ka. Wala na, wala pa gani. So, kung hindi na ako makapag-vlog again, mag-ano na lang ako sa Miami, guys. So, see you there. Hanggang dawagang. Ben! Kasi pa? Asa si mama? Tawaga. Ma! Yung! Asa si Lolo? Hi guys, so we're almost there. It's like 56 minutes na lang. So maglalanding na kami. And the kids is so excited. They're so excited guys. Ayan si Raylan. Pasensyahan niya yung camera ko dito na side kasi sira yung cellphone. Yes. Kapit na yun. Milan, what are you doing, Milan? Wesley boy, are you excited to see your dad? Ha? Magunsa man kayo, makita ni mong daddy? Ha? Daddy have candy? Unsa pa? Ring pop? Unsa pa man? Unsa pa man? Lollipop?
Fine.
Huh? Prime?
Fine.
Okay.
Fine.
Unsa pa?
Ring pop.
Humana man na ring pop. Fries.
Ice.
And chicken. Chicken nuggets.
Done.
Yeah. Si William. What? Ano naman si William? William is busy, oh. Hapit na taabot, be. Okay, face. Here, here. Here. Here, butang sa mong face. Do it, William. Where are you? Hindi, dua-dua naman ni William. Honestly.
When I smell it with my mouth, it's like a mint can.
Yeah. Waylon. Good job, Waylon. Bless you. Bless you. Good job, Wes. No. Sit down, sit down. Hello, suko sa Waylon ay. Hello. Suko, wisi, suko. Oh, like that? Hello? 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 So, ayan guys, 12 minutes na lang. Nasuko siya ay. Nasuko man ni si Wilon ay. Sakit eh. Suko is dibi, suko dabi. Okay. Nasuko si Wilon ay. Nasuko. Hello.
Saka.
Hello, suko.
This is how Waylon acts. This is what, Mommy. This is how Waylon acts. Daddy.
Okay.
Waylon.
Suko Wilon ay. Hello. Oh. Jesus.
Daddy, if you're watching this, Suko means he's mad. Mad.
Hello. Got it. You know how?